times, and it will fit there. Until very recently, the population of India has been bigger than the population of Africa. It is only now that for the first time, the population of Africa has overtaken the population of India. So you can see that really the population of the problem of Africa is not overpopulation, but rather the other opposite of underpopulation. This population of Uganda, which has risen more than almost 4 times in 30 years, we have no problem with it. It's not such a big issue. There are 2 areas where we are moving on our own, but where we would welcome collaboration if available. This is in the areas of pharmaceuticals and vaccines. It is not correct to continue with the present arrangement where in the global share of pharmaceutical production of US dollars 1.42 trillion, Africa's share is only US dollars 16 billion. Of the pharmaceuticals produced in the world, valued at 1.42 trillion, Africa's share is only 16 billion production. Uganda and Africa are better placed to produce many of the pharmaceuticals on account of the plants that we have in our area. Chinkona, which helped humanity with malaria from the year 1630, was a tropical plant. There are other sister plants in the tropics that can help man with many of the health problems. During the Corona-19 pandemic, one of our professors, Professor Patrick Ogwang, cross-matched an ancient antiviral plant product that our people in the northeast of Uganda, Teso, have been using since time immemorial against measles caused by the virus rubiola, with the treatment for Corona-19 virus. And it saved so many lives.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.